Yeah, I mean, I was just talking about the drought, and I wish we could write it on there and like just add it to the yard.
R.I.P. drought, exactly.
Right.
I guess Halloween is too far away to know exactly what we're going to be looking at weather-wise. As
That's
a
a good
kid
point.
growing up here, and I'm sure you feel the same way, you never quite knew what you were in for. It was either really hot, it could be cold, it could be raining.
We experienced both. I remember having to wear a really, really big jacket one year.
And I remember sweating underneath those nasty plastic masks too.
Oh yeah, we know it all too well. Yeah, it's a little too far out to know exactly what Halloween will bring, but I can tell you this, it's looking a little scary on our drought charts. We are looking at an exceptional drought for some spots. Now, I know we had some very beneficial rain in August. Not the case here the last several weeks, which has made our drought charts kind of go in the opposite direction of what we want it to be at, especially south of Interstate 20, west of I-35. That's where we're looking at not only extreme drought, but exceptional drought in some spots. I mean, areas of the big country also dealing with that. Near Abilene, portions of the Red River as well. Dallas County, not exactly seeing that, but it was because of that record rainfall that we did experience on that August day where we had over 9 inches of rainfall. That is also the reason why we have an elevated fire danger, not just today, but also Friday and Saturday. We have the ongoing drought. We have temperatures that are climbing. We also have low humidity from yesterday's front. And anytime the breeze kicks up, that's going to allow for elevated fire danger. So avoid any activities that lead to sparks. High temperature tomorrow near 87 degrees in Dallas, 88 in Fort Worth, Denton, and 87 in McKinney. Believe it or not, the temperature climbs even more on Saturday, a high near 92 degrees. This brings us 13 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year. After that, though, that's when our front arrives. This is the more significant front, likely really actually seeing the coolest weather that we will experience or have experienced here recently. Into the mid-70s on Sunday, low 70s on Monday, 60s on Tuesday. Are you kidding? Yeah, it almost seems like a dream, but it's looking pretty likely for us. Not only that, but it brings us our next best potential for rainfall. About 70% coverage will be likely for us on Sunday, and that starts as early as Saturday night for our northern county. So let's time it out. We have some cloud cover coming in through the day Saturday, but I think the rain holds off until late Saturday. I'm thinking closer to midnight for portions of the Red River. That front then arrives sometime between 7, 8 in the morning across the Metroplex. That's when we see rain chances kind of ramping up some. That front continues to progress towards the south, and as that happens, we'll see better rain opportunity for areas south of I-20. That's the area that needs it the most. And this rain actually continues through Monday. This is showing you around 5 in the morning. It tapers off from north to south through the day Monday. We may even see some rain lingering Monday night. This is how much rain we could see. Again, areas south of I-20 looking at the best and highest coverage with highest rain totals as well. But for North Texas, we are looking at anywhere between ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall for the big country. In the Metroplex and surrounding areas, between 1/4 to ½ inch of rain. And if you are east of the Metroplex, Tyler, Jacksonville, anywhere between a trace to about ½ inch of rainfall is looking possible for us. Let's get a quick update on our tropics. It's still hurricane season in the Atlantic, and we have something in the southern Gulf. This is Tropical Storm KARL. It has 45-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It's moving to the south. It was briefly moving north here the last couple of days, but it's taken a turn, moving to the south now, all thanks to that front that came through, and it will push south towards southern Mexico here in the next couple of days, bringing in some pretty heavy rainfall. Unfortunately, it could lead to some landslides there. Tonight, calm, cool, dry temperature near 57 degrees by the time the morning rolls around. 87 tomorrow, low 90s on Saturday. And then we're talking mid-70s on Monday, 68 degrees on Tuesday. Clear, calm, looking a little more like fall next week.
I'm going to have to find that jacket. It's been a while since I've needed to pull it out.
Same.
All right, Marielle, thank you.